Exercise 4.5 question number 3. Find the value of sine inverse of cos sine inverse of 3 by root 3 by 2. Okay, the solution. Now you see here sine inverse of root 3 by 2. So I have to replace this by sine something. So I am going to replace with sine pi by 3. You know that sine pi by 3 is root 3 by 2, isn't it? So now cancelling this, I have got pi by 3 alone. So cancelling this, only pi by 3 comes here. So it becomes sine inverse of cos pi by 3. Now cos pi by 3 is nothing but 1 by 2, isn't it? Now again sine inverse of some value. So again I have to replace here by sine something. So 1 by 2 comes in sine pi by 6, isn't it? So cancelling that, answer is equal to pi by 6. Subdivision 2. Cot of sine inverse of 3 by 5 plus sine inverse of 4 by 5. Okay. So now I have to convert these two terms into cot inverse or something like that. So first I am going to take this sine inverse 3 by 5 into theta. Okay, assuming that theta is equal to sine inverse of 3 by 5. So sine theta, taking this to the left hand side, sine theta is equal to 3 by 5. Now putting in the reference triangle, this is opposite side and this is hypotenuse. So 3 and 5. To find the adjacent side, it is square root of hypotenuse square. 5 square is 25 minus opposite side 3 square is 9. So it is root 16 and it is 4. Now luckily cos theta gives the value 4 by 5. Okay. So here only for this sum alone, cos theta gives 4 by 5. What is cos theta? Adjacent side by hypotenuse, which is 4 by 5. So theta is equal to cos inverse of 4 by 5. So why I have found cos inverse means, see this is 4 by 5, this is also 4 by 5. So cos inverse x plus sine inverse x is equal to pi by 2. Okay, if I get same value means I can use this particular property. If not, I have to go for the different method only. I have to convert this into cot inverse, and this has to be converted into cot inverse. And then I have to apply some other method formula like that. Luckily I have got the value is 4 by 5 and here also 4 by 5. So I'm going to use this property. So this is the question, isn't it? I have written the question here. Now you know that sine theta is equal to 3 by 5, isn't it? So that is converted into cos inverse of 4 by 5. So in this place I have put cos inverse of 4 by 5. Here already sine inverse of 4 by 5 is there. So using the property, using this property, this is replaced by pi by 2. Cot pi by 2 is nothing but what? It is 0. So this is the answer. Now subdivision 3. Okay. Tan of sine inverse of 3 by 5 plus cot inverse of 3 by 2. Okay. But converting this, like the previous sum, if I convert this into cos inverse, I won't be getting 3 by 5. So I cannot use the previous method. We have to use the different method. Can you understand? Previously this was converted into cos inverse. If I convert cos inverse, if I get 3 by 5 like the value here, I can put pi by 2. But I won't be getting here 3 by 5. So I'm using a different method. Okay, right. Now I'm going to take this sine inverse 3 by 5 into theta. Assuming that sine inverse 3 by 5 as theta, taking the sine inverse to this side, sine theta is equal to 3 by 5. So using the reference triangle, theta is nothing but opposite side, sine theta is nothing but opposite side by hypotenuse. So opposite side is 3, hypotenuse is 5. To find the adjacent side, this is square root of hypotenuse square, that is 5 square is 25 minus 3 square is 9. So 25 minus 9 is root 16, which is 4. Okay, so since I have tan here, I must find tan inverse. I have to convert this into tan inverse. So I am finding tan theta, right? So tan theta is equal to opposite side by adjacent side, which is 3 and 4, so 3 by 4. Now theta is equal to tan inverse of 3 by 4. So this can be substituted in this place. Now cot inverse of 3 by 2. So cot inverse of 3 by 2 can be written as tan inverse of 2 by 3. Just the inverse, we learnt it, isn't it? Cot inverse of x is tan inverse of 1 by x. So 1 by 3 by 2 is 2 by 3. So this is replaced in the place of cot inverse of 3 by 2. Okay. So as I have told, both the values are now replaced with the values which we have just found. Okay, now both are tan inverse. You know the formula, isn't it? Tan inverse of first term plus second term divided by 1 minus product of the two terms is written here. Now I have to cross multiply. 3 into 3 is 9, 4 into 2 is 8, divided by 4 into 3 is 12, whole divided by 4 into 3 is 12. That has to be multiplied by 1, isn't it? So 12 minus 3 into 2 is 6. So 12 minus 6 divided by 12. So cancelling the denominator 12 and 12, adding the numerator values, 9 plus 8 is 17 and denominator 12 minus 6 is 6. So cancelling tan and tan inverse, I have got the value 17 by 6. So that's all. Thank you.